Hi, welcome back to How to Mobile Photo. I'm Neeta Shankar, a wedding and lifestyle photographer. I'm a Nikon expertive and a Godox India brand ambassador. Being a professional photographer and filmmaker, I capture cinematic shots all the time to put together interesting and amazing films for my clients. However, these days one does not need very high-end gear to make beautiful cinematic videos. Mobile phones like these are capable of capturing and editing cinematic videos. But what is it that one has to do to get such shots that engage their audience and social media feed? Let's find out. Today, I'll be showing you how to shoot cinematic video on a smartphone using this brand new OnePlus 10R powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max processor. The MediaTek 8100 processor lets you do more of what you love for longer. It helps with extended video recording and for editing high quality videos. It has a thermal control that ensures your phone does not get heated up during extensive video shooting or editing. And with up to 25% lower power consumption, it ensures that you can shoot long hours. So let's get started. First thing you need to do before shooting videos is to check maximum resolution and frame rate combination that your phone camera is capable of. The higher, the better. Better resolution means more options during video editing, and higher frame rate means you can play around with the speed of the footage at your will. That is, you can slow down your footage in editing to give it a cinematic feel or to avoid showing any shake captured while recording. We'll be shooting at 1080p where we can shoot 60 fps because I would like to slow down the footage in edit. We will also be using slow-mo mode extensively to make the most of the 1080p 120 fps footage. Once you select the subject you want to shoot, lock the focus and exposure so that it doesn't change when we move the camera around. This will ensure the footage looks professional by maintaining exposure and focus. Avoid eye level. It's boring because we look at the world at that level all the time. Instead, go low to an ant's eye view or high to a bird's eye view, change composition, and you can see your shots transform. Check horizon. Make sure to incorporate horizon in your shots for sense of depth and orientation. What makes your video cinematic is shake-free movement. The camera movement adds drama and keeps the audience engaged. Avoid jerky motion and shake to ensure the video looks polished and professional. To do this, use a mobile gimbal like I am doing here. One of the simple movements is to move in or push forward while keeping the focus locked on your focal point. Remember to add a foreground element as that adds depth and drama to your shot. The next movement you can try is to pull back or move out. This is especially helpful when you're capturing someone walking towards the camera or when you're shooting through windows and grills. You can also capture a crane or a jib shot by moving your phone vertically, or get a slider shot by moving the camera sideways. Sometimes you don't have to have a great location. Just shooting very low shows a completely new perspective. Look how much of a difference shooting low has made to the composition in these scenarios. All these movements can be done handheld as well. Imagine the camera on a gimbal or a slider and replicate that move with your hands. Whenever possible, add a human element to tell a story, create interest, and to show scale. A creative way to liven up your video with interesting movement is via time lapses or hyperlapses. Place the camera on a tripod or a solid surface and capture the movement of clouds over a time. You can take your time lapses to the next level by adding another movement either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally by setting up the phone on a gimbal to move from point A to point B. For detailed shots, use macro mode to make the most of MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max processor's lossless zoom capability. Experiment with frame rates, slow-mo, and capture interesting visuals. Play with light. Reveal the sun or capture light flickering through leaves and causing lens flares. Lens flares add a lot of creativity to your shots and make your footage look more professional and cinematic. And finally, link your shots. Instead of stitching random clips together, add context and meaning by stitching shots that are linked to the previous shot. This is one of the easiest tricks that will take your simple video to the next level. It's also very important to choose the right kind of music and color grade your clips to give them a professional and cinematic look. All this is easily possible on the phone as MediaTek's Dimensity 8100 Max processor allows you to work on your edits without heating up due to its thermal control feature. Here's the final video after we've put together all the clips we've shot today. Hope you like it. It's truly amazing to see what mobile phones are capable of today. Hope you all use these tips in your next travel videos. Do share a link to your videos in the comments for us to see. That's it for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.